There are 3 ways that sellers, homeowners can price their homes. So you can see from the graph above, at the very top of the triangle is the aspirational pricing. That's kind of like finding a needle in a haystack. If you've got time to wait, you might have to make a price adjustment. But sometimes I have homeowners who say, you know what, I want to test the market. I want to try to squeeze everything I can out of this property and out of this price. And if that's what they want to do, that's what I'm there for. Another way that you can price your property is what we call the perceived value, kind of in the middle. In that, you've got a better chance of a bidding war. You're more likely to get an offer at list price and higher, and you're likely to sell quickly. The very bottom of the triangle is the event pricing, so kind of like an auction. It does or could decrease your buying power later. It could leave money on the table. Now you do get kind of like an auction, you get tons and tons of people through there, but a lot of times you may not be targeting the right buyer that can afford to pay what you're looking for. Those are a couple tips on home pricing. You'll have to decide which of the 3 prices that you like and that you've got the time for, because a lot of folks need to go on ahead, get moving along, and they don't want to wait any longer than they've got to. Then others like to sit back and see what the market's going to tell them. I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions about pricing your home, reach out to us or give us a comment down below, and happy to give you our advice.